Hi, my name is Kenya Shidara. I'm a director at Leonian, Thailand, and we run golf partner here at Donki Mall. Our strength is that we run 350 stores in Japan, and the numbers of store as a golf retailer is actually #1 in the world. And the quantity of second-hand clubs that we hold is also #1 in the world. That is our strength. We have 3 bays of indoor driving range. Every single club you can try. Even new ones, second-hand clubs, you can try. And we have a fitting room. We can change our grip, customize our golf club at the spot. And also, whatever you cannot find, we'll try to find from Japan and import for you.